President of North Credit Cooperative. And we are proud members of the Botas Waves Cooperative Union.
Our mission is to strengthen the unity of Navotas-based cooperatives by providing sustainable livelihood, leadership, and community development through teamwork and the spirit of bayanihan.
Our vision to be a united community of empowered cooperative in Navotas, encouraging growth,
sustainable livelihood, and prosperous future through collaboration and shared progress.
The purpose of Navotas Waves Cooperative is exist to empower fishing community of Navotas by fostering economic resilience and promoting sustainable fishing practices,
and enhancing their social well-being of its members through collective action. We strive to create a thriving and equitable future for Navotas fishermen and their families.
We, the Navotas Waves Cooperative Union, believes that the real progress begins with unity, compassion, and cooperation. Together, we create opportunities for the youth, strengthen our livelihoods, and create a more sustainable Navotas community.
The waves that never stop moving. We continue to push forward, empowering every cooperative, every member, and every citizen to take part in positive change.
Join us in making waves of hope, progress, and unity. Support the Navotas Waves Cooperative Union, where every effort, big or small, moves our community towards a better future.